Yes, I'm Anna. I'm recruiter in the Vietnam market, and I'm in charge of semiconductor VLSI recruitment team in APAC region. It's my pleasure to join the Servant Leadership Workshop 2 days, 28 and 29 March in Penang. So also my first time to join the Servant Leadership Workshop. I was impressed. Wow, amazing! Because it's the first time I learned about servant leadership. It's quite totally different with normal leadership because I can deeply understand more about the USD culture and USD values and what difference with other companies in the market. I think I received a lot of lessons, and the key technos. I think it is the definition of servant leadership. The servant leader is the servant first. The servant leader is someone who invests in other personal life and to help others become the better version of themselves, make them wealthier, healthier, and become successful not only in the professional work but also in their personal life. I will build up the community in a semiconductor market in APAC region. That is add value to the big community outside of the organization. And secondly, I think I always keep in mind that lead by influence and lead by example.